Hello student, today I brought a video on the topic direct current and alternating current. Direct current is abbreviated as DC and alternating current abbreviated as AC. AC and DC are the two types of current that you use our daily life. DC current, in earlier activity we have used the DC current. The battery or cell that produce the current is DC current because this current is flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. But AC current that is used in our house, that's many appliances like like fan, refrigerator, geyser, washing machine. This works on AC current. And what is the characteristic and differences of DC and AC current we are going to discuss in this video. In the next slide we are going to define the AC and DC current. Here, direct current known as DC, a current that always flow in one direction only is called, in one direction only is called the direct current. The direction of current is only one direction, from positive poles to negative pole, from positive terminal to negative terminal, and that is the conventional direction of the current. It is called DC current or direct DC or direct current. The current we get from a battery or cell is a direct current. Alternating current, that's known as AC, a current that reverses its direction periodically is called alternating current. The direction of the current is reversed periodically after a some interval time, so it is called periodic. This current, direction of the current is periodic and it changes after some interval time, so it is called alternating current. Most power stations in our country and electric generator produce alternating current, that's known as AC. AC changes direction every 100 seconds. The direction of the current changes from one pole to another pole, one terminal to another terminal, 100 in 100 seconds. And the direction of complete cycle, direction of changing of complete cycle is happen 50 times in 1 second. So the frequency of the current is said to be 50 hertz. In India, the frequency of AC current is 50 hertz. Now, advantage of AC over DC is that the transmission of AC is very easy without any loss of power. But the DC current is not transmitted to a long distance, and if it is transmitted, a lot of power is consumed for the transmission. So that is the advantage of AC current over DC current. And another advantage also given, we can going to discuss in the next slide. Here, first we consider about the basic differences between the DC and AC. The meaning of AC current, DC current is the current flow only in one direction is called DC current. The current reverses direction in equal interval time is known as AC current. The abbreviation used for the DC is direct current is DC, and the abbreviation used for alternating current is AC. Now, change in the polarity. There is no change in the polarity in the DC current. It is fixed. The positive pole and negative terminal of the DC current, that the battery is fixed. It does not change. But in AC, there is a change in the polarity. The polarity of the current is changed after a equal fixed interval of time. It is a very fractional interval of time. That is the 100 second. In 100 second, the polarity is changed in the AC current. The frequency of the current, direct current, is considered to be 0 because the change of polarity is a 0. There is no change in the polarity, it is fixed. so the frequency is zero. But the frequency of the alternating current depend on the country. In our country, it is 50 hertz or 60 hertz. In another country, the frequency of the alternating current is different. But in our country, it is 50 or 60 hertz. Other mixed differences is given in the slide. Current of the constant magnitude in the DC current is always constant magnitude. Now look here. Current varies with time. Usage in television or twice. DC current is used in television of many twice. Simple devices DC current is used, but it is used in the fan, refrigerator, geyser, washing machine. That it is work on the AC current. It is used to transmit the current over the long distances. And for the generation of the DC current, split ring is used. But in the generation of the AC current, slip ring or commutator is used. That are the basic differences of AC current and DC current. In the next video, we will discuss about the basic advantage of AC over DC. AC can be easily converted into DC using rectifier. One example, basic example is our TV is work on DC current, but the supply of current in our house is AC current. So a rectifier is used in the television, our TV, that convert the AC into DC. And in mobile phone also adapter, the AC current is converted into the DC current to recharge the battery of our mobile. So rectifier is used to convert AC into DC. But the DC current is not changed into AC by any devices. So these are the advantages. This is the most very important advantage of AC over DC. The cost of generating AC, is less than the cost of generating DC. The AC cost of generation AC is less than the cost of generating DC. So it is cheap and it is costly. It can be transmitted to a long distances. The AC current can be transmitted to a long distance without much less of energy power than DC. When the DC current is transmitted for a long distance, a lot of power is consumed. But when the AC current is transmitted for a long distance, it requires less power for the transmission. AC of any desired voltage can be obtained by using transformer. We can use AC current of desired voltage by using transformer. Transformer is used to change the voltage of the AC current. Now, the magnitude of AC can be reduced by using shock coil. The magnitude can be reduced without any change of any loss of the energy. So these are the advantages of AC over DC. In the next slide, we are going to discuss about, in this slide, what is the disadvantage of AC over DC. What is the specifically AC? What is the advantage of AC over DC? That's known as the shock of AC is attractive. The shock of AC attractive and very dangerous as compared to the shock of DC. That is the repulsive. When a person suffers a shock with the AC current, the person is attracted to the wire. So it is very serious and very dangerous. But the DC current repels the person, and the person who suffers with the DC current, shock with the DC current. It is dangerous to work with the AC at high voltage. So it is dangerous to work with AC with a high voltage because it can give a severe shock. AC can be used in electroplating. AC cannot be used in electroplating. AC current is not used for the electroplating. We use the cell or battery for the purpose of electroplating or electro-refiling of metal. But the DC is used for this purpose. These are the advantages of DC over AC. AC flow on the surface of the wire. AC current is considered to flow on the surface of the wire, not inside the wire. Hence, several thin wires are used for the transmission of instead of single thick wire. That are the basic differences, definitions, and advantage and disadvantage of AC and DC current that we will discuss detail. Next video will discuss about how the electric generator or the dynamo is produced. Two types of electric generator, that AC generator and DC generator. The one generator produces AC current, another generator produces DC current. That we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.